Hey everybody, we're back for another day and another sticker. Yay! Here we go. Where are we? Number 16. Gosh, month is almost over, more than halfway. And more food! They should have called this the Adorable Food Advent Calendar. Okay, let's see if I can get you a good shot. This is La Noob Day. My French is atrocious, I apologize. The noob of ideas. Very cute and very glittery holographic. Let's see, what do we want to put on our cup? I like the dog chef, that's adorable. How about the carrot cake with a bunny and a carrot cake? We'll put that right there. And how about this tiny, well, I don't know. Man, I was gonna go for the cute little chocolate chip cookie on legs, but then I saw the cute little macaron. I don't know. Oh, look. A little stuffed Oreo. Okay, that's it. That won me over. Look at the face on that guy. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. Ah, so cute. When we get done with the cup and all the sticker placement, some of these are starting to curl up at the edges. It's a very slippery cup. What I'm going to do when everything's done is I'm going to cover the whole thing with a layer of Mod Podge. Seal it all on so it won't curl up and move around, and then we'll put the resin on, just in case anybody's wondering. Got it. We're good. Day 16. Finito.